ET Now travelled to the industrial area of Sonipat in Haryana to meet Akhil Gupta, a man who comes from a family of entrepreneurs but chose to give wings to his own unique business idea. In the year 2000, Akhil established Sri Banke Bihari Foods with the aim of manufacturing welcome drinks for airlines. Today, the company is the proud owner of a brand called Fresca Juices, synonymous with fruity, delicious and refreshing beverages.
We have about 7 products in our range. We have lychee juice, we have mango, we have apple, we have guava, we have a very special drink, Aam Panna, that's a raw mango drink, and the fresh lime as well. As our tagline is also that it's healthy and closest to nature. So we have tried our juices to be very close to the taste of the fruits, and for that we have done a lot of R&D. Anything under the Fresca brand name will be top class.
Today, Fresca is a fast-growing brand in Delhi and the National Capital Region and is slowly spreading its wings into other states of North India. Its clients include major airlines, 300 schools of Delhi, hospitals of repute like the Max and Fortis groups, Terminal 3 at the Delhi International Airport, the Indian Railways and many others. The consistent quality and taste of its products is what keeps its client list always growing. And this is ensured at Fresca's in-house laboratories, where every batch of raw materials and finished products is thoroughly tested.
हर मॉर्निंग यहाँ पे 3000 का बैच बनता है। मॉर्निंग में आते मेरा एक काम होता है कि सबसे पहले साइट्रिक एसिड चेक करती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद में प्रिजर्वेटिव की क्वांटिटी चेक होती है। प्रिजर्वेटिव हमारे इसलिए डाला जाता है कि जिससे कि वो हमारे सेल्फ लाइफ जो है बढ़ सके। हम अपने प्रोडक्ट की सेल्फ लाइफ जो है 6 मंथ्स दे रहे हैं। हम वो चीज़ दे रहे हैं जो कि नेचुरल लगे, केमिकल यूज ही नहीं किया जाए, कोई भी आर्टिफिशियल चीज यूज नहीं किया जाए कि फ्लेवर डाल दिया और उसमें पल्प नहीं डाला है, पल्प डाला जाता है।
पर डे एक प्रोडक्ट बनता है, उसकी क्वालिटी बैच वाइज चेक होता है, मैक्रो सारे केमिकल टेस्टिंग पूरे होता है और 24 घंटे के बाद उसको डिस्प्ले में दिया जाता है।
To meet increasing market demand, Fresca has recently expanded its production capacity 3 times over from 2,000 liters per hour to making 6,000 liters of juice every hour. Its fully automated manufacturing plant conducts all the processes like filtration, pasteurization, homogenization, etc., where the fruit juices remain completely untouched by human hand.
See, this is a manufacturing facility, I think, which even Tropicana, Mazda and all these people have, and some of the vendors are also even the same. Because I had a vision that if I had to put up a plant for these juices, I'll put up something which is the latest as of now.
There's fierce competition in this sector. How do you compete with the giants of the sector?
There's a lot of gap between the brands lower down the order and the giants. So we have come up above these lower order brands. So we think ourselves as a upcoming brand, and we find ourselves we will reach at par with those giants as far as not the volumes are concerned, maybe as soon as it, but as far as the quality and the brand name is concerned, especially in the Delhi NCR and the neighboring states.
What's the sort of growth potential that you see for companies like yours in the Indian market?
See, there's a lot of growth potential, especially for this juice market, because consumption of juice is increasing every year. So things are coming up, and it has got a very, I think, very good potential in the times to come.
What's your marketing strategy like?
We will be going in for an extensive advertisements in the next year before the season sets in. We will be there in the print media, the electronic media, and the hoardings, because now as the product is available off the shelf everywhere, we think that the advertisement will help now.
Having achieved an annual turnover of 20 crore rupees, Akhil Gupta is also looking to capture foreign markets with another brand called Fruzo. With positive response from markets like Canada and the Middle East, Fruzo aims to offer unique flavors while following the company's core philosophy, that of delivering consistent taste and quality. Alright, so that was Sri Banke Bihari Foods offering interesting flavors to all its customers. Let's find out what our SME doctor thinks of this company. Sohail Chand, Managing Director at Norwest Venture Partners, will be mentoring all the companies on the show today to help them grow their businesses. Sohail?
Sri Banke Bihari Foods is in a very exciting space in the Indian consumer industry. You've demonstrated a very good growth potential so far and have built an exciting brand. You should be able to continue to grow well into the future. The only thing to be aware of is that this is a competitive industry, but given that you've created a brand and are continuing to invest in it, you should be able to, you should still be able to do very well.
Thanks, Sohail, for that sound advice for Sri Banke Bihari Foods.